Hey guys, welcome to today's video and welcome on into my beauty stash. I am so excited because one of my favorite indie brands just dropped a new eyeshadow palette, and this is from Fantasy Cosmetica. This is the Paladin palette. Guys, look at this eye look. It's coming up right after this intro. I am having a great time already with this palette. I love a mustard yellow shade like this. So, if I see it in the palette, it's bound to be a good one. And so far, this palette is not disappointing. This is a traditional 9-pan palette from the brand. You do get a full-size mirror over here. Beautiful mattes and shimmer shadows in this one. I've had a really good experience with Fantasy Cosmetica in the past. Thank you so much, Jordan, for sending me this in PR. If you guys want to pick this up, it is available right now on their website along with some other goodies from this collection. You can use my affiliate code Steff if you want to save 10% off of your order. Anything over there on the Fantasy Cosmetica website. I will be creating 2 looks in today's video. The one you see is the one that's going to be up first. Let's get started right now. Okay, so I've already primed my eyelids with the Beauty Bay eyeshadow primer. Let's dive into Paladin from Fantasy Cosmetica. Loving the beautiful color story. Guys, I go crazy for a shade like this. Like, I just want to use it all the time. But I'm going to start here with this one called Redemption in the inner corner. And if you're wondering about the lippy I have on, it is this one from NYX Lip Lingerie in the shade Hot Caramel. Yes, it's a new one. I picked it up. Well, it's not a new shade. It's a new to me shade because I picked it up in store last week at my local Ulta. I'm picking the shade up on my Game Beauty E01. Gonna again just focus this right here on the inner corner. Little up here through the transition area, brow bone crease. I'm gonna just put it on the lid as well. Just about like that. Okay, I think we have a beautiful blend. Now I'm going to go in with that mustard shade. I'm going to apply a little to the lid, blend it a little bit in the crease, also bring it out to the outer corner. For this shade, I am using a Refer 13 Max. And I think these 2 shades together are phenomenal. Unexpected color combination. You can never go wrong with a mustard yellow shade like this, especially as we head into fall. I know it's super hot outside, but for me, I don't reserve any one shade for any one season. I use all the shades all the time. I just think makeup is meant to be fun, colorful, and when I have the opportunity to create fun, colorful looks like this, I take them, run with them, and enjoy it. I'm just going in now with a first shade, just to touch it up a bit. I have no problem leaving this as an all matte look. And I just might, but I feel I need to blend this part just a little bit better. Let's do something for the lower lash line. I guess I'm going to use this one. This is the only other matte shade that I haven't used. So I'm going to do something light, little smoky on that lower lash line. Taking that on a Refer 03, going to keep it really close to the lash line. Don't want it to get out of hand. I like the lightness of the 2 shades above it. You'll notice I'm not taking it all the way through either. Just leave it like that. Okay, now for the inner corner, let me see, what is this swatch to? This turns out to be like a pink. This is the shade I'm looking for, something like that, and I'll put them on the back of my hand so you guys can see what they look like, but I think we're gonna go this route. Still using my Refer 03, and I did spray the brush with a little setting spray, just right there in the inner corner. This will be our sparkle of the day. All right, guys, I am going to hop off camera to take care of those finishing touches. I'll be right back to show you this completed look number one. Okay, guys, so here's the completed look with the Palladium palette from Fantasy Cosmetica. I really love the way this palette is laid out, and I love the shades that are included in it. No issues with any of these shades. I added my favorite Alexis style lashes from Shop Miss A. I did a little e.l.f. black eyeliner to tightlight the upper waterline, and another e.l.f. eyeliner to tightline the waterline, and some YSL mascara. This is the look. I'm actually wear testing some other complexion products, so this is like a dual wear test for me today, but a dedicated Fantasy Cosmetica videos. All right, guys, so let's start working on look number two. I think I'm wearing like navy and brown to work today. So I think I'm going to start off with this one in the inner corner. Not too fond of a shade like this, but I'm still going to work with it. So I'll start here, and then I'm going to work my way down here, and I'm very intrigued by this shade here. So we'll see how this goes. But let's go in with Bond. Hey, is it missing a shade name? Oh, it's the shade name is down here. So Bond and Conquest down here. And I'm using a Game Beauty E01 to start applying this shade in the inner half crease, also on the lid. On a Rephr 13 Max, I'm going in with that dark brown shade, outer corner as well as into the crease, and a bit on the lid. Kind of similar to what I did with look one, just changing up the shades. And for this look, we are definitely going to add shimmer. Okay, I actually think these shades look really nice together. I was a little skeptical. I'm touching up the gray right now. Again, you could very easily leave this as an all matte look because I think the mattes in this palette are phenomenal and they work really well together. Yeah, this could easily be an all matte look, but we just did that. We just did that, and although I really want to do that again, I'm not going to. So what I am going to do is, now that I'm looking at it, I'm thinking Aura. I'm going to pick it up with my finger, and I think I'll just spray a little setting spray on my finger. I'm going to use this one from e.l.f. And I'm going to dab in the center, something soft. This shade really doesn't have a lot of texture to it, at least not texture that is crumbling as I'm applying, which is great. But I think that looks really pretty. What do you guys think? No shimmer, shimmer. Now for the lower lash line, I'm going to go back in with the gray. I want to keep it kind of light down there. So I'm just going to use a little Rephr 03 to apply that with. I would have really loved to have seen one of these white shimmers at the top be a white matte. But I think I'm going to go in with this one because I think we used this one yesterday. So this one is Oath, and this one is going to have a bit of a purple pink reflect to it. There's a little hair on the brush. And I just want a little bit right there. Okay, guys, I'm going to pop off camera, take care of the finishing touches. I'll be right back to show you this completed look number two. Okay, guys, so here's the completed look number two. What do you guys think? This turned into a muted smoky eye, and I love it. I love it. That brown turned out pretty much like a dark gray, like a taupe shade. And that's so funny because I just ordered a taupe purse this morning. I'd been looking for the right one and I came across it this morning. So That's funny. That's very ironic. I think it's a sign that I did the right thing. But let me tell you what I went in with quickly. I did the Alexis lashes from Shop Miss A. Those are my favorite. YSL mascara for the lower lash line, or lower waterline, I should say. A NYX Epic Wear eyeliner. This one is in the shade Periwinkle Pop. I told you I wanted to keep it really light down there, and that's what I did. And a little e.l.f. black eyeliner to tight line the upper waterline. And again, I'm wearing another NYX liquid lingerie. This one is in the shade Strip Down. And that's what I got going on. I will wrap up this video once I get home from work. But so far, I've had a really good time with this new Fantasy Cosmetica palette. It is available now on their site, and you can use my code Steff for 10% off. I will check in with you guys when I get home from work, and we'll wrap up today's video. Hey guys, so here we are. I've had this makeup on for 11 hours, and I love this eye look. I love both the eye looks I created with this new Fantasy Cosmetica palette that is available right now on their website. $35.99 less an affiliate code, a discount code minus Steff for 10% off. You can use mine or use somebody else's, but use a code so you can get a discount if you choose to buy this new palette. It's a full collection, so there are other things available in the collection. I just chose to receive the palette in PR because that is one of my favorite things to try here on my channel for you guys, and I think it is a winner. I love both of the eye looks. I think yesterday's was my favorite though, because I just love that lavender and mustard shade together. If you're looking for a new small eyeshadow palette, Fantasy Cosmetica primarily does 9-pan eyeshadow palettes, which I absolutely love them for. Then definitely give them a shot. If you've never tried Fantasy Cosmetica before, let this palette be your invitation to do so. I want to thank you guys so much for watching another one of my videos. Y'all have a great day or night, wherever it is y'all are at. Stay hydrated, drink your water, and I'll see you soon. Bye.